Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're reviewing the pinnacle of luxury and off-road capability, the Range Rover Vogue Autobiography.
Let's start with the front. It's got a sleek, chrome-plated grille, which is flanked by slim LED headlights that provide exceptional illumination. The front bumper is aggressively styled, with a prominent skid plate and air intakes that add to the vehicle's rugged charm.
As you press the unlock button, the Range Rover comes to life. Door handles slide out, while side steps swing out to provide easy access, a seamless blend of luxury and functionality. As we step inside, we're greeted by the illuminated dorsal plate, which adds a touch of elegance to the overall ambience. The doors are crafted from premium materials, including rich wood veneers and precision-cut metal trim. The door panels are adorned with supple leather upholstery, which adds a tactile element to the overall design. The car is equipped with the Meridian sound system with 19 speakers and 1,700 watts of power. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with ample adjustments to ensure the perfect driving position. The massage function is a nice touch, providing a soothing experience on long journeys. Notice the intricate stitching and premium leather upholstery, which adds to the overall sense of luxury. The dashboard is a masterclass in design, with a perfect blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. The rich wood veneers and precision-cut metal trim add a touch of sophistication. As we step inside the back, you notice the impeccable attention to detail. The door trim features premium materials and intuitive controls, carefully crafted for a seamless passenger experience. The seats themselves are a masterclass in comfort and design, providing a perfect blend of support and luxury. Rear passengers are treated to their own climate control console, ensuring everyone on board can tailor their environment to their liking. And with the expansive panoramic roof, the interior feels even more spacious and connected to the world outside. Notice how the side step automatically retracts, streamlining the vehicle's profile and ensuring a secure closure. It's just one of the many thoughtful touches that make the Range Rover a true leader in luxury and innovation. As we move to the rear, the sleek lines and sculpted surfaces continue to impress. One of the standout design features is the hidden taillights, which are cleverly integrated into the design to create a clean and minimalist look. When illuminated, the taillights create a distinctive signature that's unmistakably Range Rover. The integrated tailgate spoiler enhances aerodynamics, while the signature split tailgate provides effortless access to the spacious cargo area. From its robust bumper to its precision-crafted details, every aspect of the Range Rover's rear design embodies a perfect blend of refinement and capability. The Range Rover rides on stunning 22-inch alloy wheels, which are not only visually striking, but also provide exceptional strength and durability. The tires are high-performance units, designed to provide exceptional grip and handling on both on-road and off-road terrain. Now let's take a closer look at the infotainment system. The 13.1-inch touchscreen display is crisp and responsive,
providing intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. One of the standout features of the Range Rover is its advanced driving modes. Let's take a look. The wade sensing feature is a clever innovation that allows drivers to assess the depth of water before attempting to cross it. The terrain response system allows drivers to adjust the vehicle's setting to suit specific off-road conditions, including grass, gravel, snow, and more. This Range Rover features a range of driving modes, each tailored to specific driving conditions. From the comfort-oriented mode to the more aggressive sport mode, there is a setting to suit every driver's preference. As I rapidly move my finger back and forth, notice how the screen responds. While there might be a slight hint of lag, the interface remains intuitive and easy to navigate. On the 4x4 settings, you can lock the differential, giving you maximum traction and control in challenging off-road conditions. Notice how the screen gives you real-time visualization of the suspension's articulation. The center console is a masterpiece of design and functionality. The sleek leather-wrapped surface is adorned with precision-cut metal trim and features a clever storage compartment for small items. And now let's take a look at the rear view mirror. But this isn't just an ordinary rear view mirror, it's actually a high definition camera display. This clever feature provides a clear wide angle view of the area behind the vehicle, making it easier to reverse and park. With the touch of a button, the panoramic roof blind opens, allowing natural light to pour in and providing an even greater sense of openness. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring the great outdoors, the panoramic roof is the perfect way to connect with your surroundings. And with the blind open, the cabin feels even more spacious and airy. As we take a closer look at the dashboard, you can see the incredible attention to detail and the premium materials used throughout. It also features a state-of-the-art heads-up display, which provides vital information on the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. And check out the beautiful trim work around the screen. The precision-cut metal and the glass create a seamless high-end finish that's simply stunning. Every element of this interior has been carefully designed to create a truly luxurious driving experience. Now let's take a look under the hood. It is powered by a 3-liter diesel engine, producing 296 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. It is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which features a range of advanced technologies, including variable geometry turbochargers and a sophisticated engine management system. Now let's take a look at the convenient feature that makes loading and unloading cargo a breeze. These controls allow you to adjust the ride height of the vehicle, making it easier to load and unload heavy or bulky items. With the touch of a button, the vehicle can be lowered or raised, giving you more flexibility and convenience when loading or unloading cargo.
It's little touches like this that really set the Range Rover apart from its competitors. And that's a wrap on our tour of the Range Rover Vogue Autobiography. From its sleek exterior design to its luxurious interior features, this vehicle truly has it all. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.